Hello my dear students, I am Professor Vijay B, Associate Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, Sai Vidya Institute of Technology, Rajan Kunte, Bangalore. Last time during a webinar on CET option entry procedure and about CET courses, I promised you that in the next video I will be giving you detailed entry procedure about CET online counseling. So today I am here to give you information about CET online counseling and CET option entry procedure. At the outset, I congratulate all successful PU students for your wonderful results in the recent exam, and hope you might have done well in the CET exam too. I represent Sai Vidya Institute of Technology, an institution promoted by teachers, headed by Professor M.R. Holla, former principal of RV College of Engineering. To begin with, what is CET counseling and what is option entry procedure? Once you get your CET ranking, you will be given a key, secret code and password, and you need to use the credentials for option entry procedure. Before that, online verification will be done about your documents. So I will be discussing about what are the documents that you need to keep ready for verification. This is the institution, Sai Vidya Institute of Technology, promoted by professors. Admission has started for 2021. Our CET code is E173, COMEDK code is E113. Dear students, you should know what is the seat reservation that is normally done for CET allotment for engineering admissions into various branches. Rural candidates have 15% reservation and Kannada medium students have 5% reservation. Apart from rural and Kannada medium students, NCC certificate students, NSC, VSC, and those who have participated in Super A and Super B games of sports, and then scouts and guides who have received President Award, and the son or daughter of defense person. So these are the various reservations. So please check whether you fall into any of this category. After seat reservation, let's move on to the next one, that is reservation categories. There are some seats reserved for physically handicapped people, and if you are Anglo-Indian, some seats are reserved. And if you are representing CAPF, that is Central Armed Police Force, or if you are a son or daughter of ex-defense personnel. So these are the various reservation categories. There is one more type of quota called Hyderabad Karnataka quota, HK quota. There are about 5 to 6 districts which fall under Hyderabad Karnataka quota, like Bellary, Koppal, Raichur, Gulbarga, Bidar. Any educational institutions located in these districts of Hyderabad Karnataka region, they have 70% seats in every program, every engineering program. 70% seats are reserved. Whereas other than this Hyderabad Karnataka region, any of the engineering college or state university or institution, there is 8% seats in every program. So please be noted, whether you have this certificate of Hyderabad Karnataka quota, then you have to keep that certificate with you to claim quota under this Hyderabad Karnataka category. And at the time of verification, you need to possess certain documents. The very first thing is CET admit card, the hall ticket that you carried to your CET examination. then 10th original marks card, and 12th marks card. Of course, 12th marks card you might have not received by this time. What you need to do, take a printout and take the signature of the respective principal and keep that copy with you for the time being. Then you might have filled a CET application at the time of enrolling yourself for CET examination, which is signed by the principal. That copy you need to keep. Also, you need to possess a study certificate having studied minimum 7 years in Karnataka to claim a seat through CET, and that is to be signed by BEO signature. Then if you are claiming seat under caste certificate or income certificate, that means if you are belonging to any category, like SC, ST, then 3A, 3B, 2A, 2B, 1A, 1B, that respective certificate you need to have. And income certificate, if your parents' income, combined parents' income, father and mother together, less than 8 lakh rupees per annum, then you can. Otherwise, if it is more than 8 lakhs per annum, it's not applicable. And if you belongs to rural place, like you have studied 7 years in rural places, rural certificate is a must. And also keep some latest passport size photographs. These are the documents you need to keep ready for online verification. After this, you need to log in yourself in the website KEA and then start opting for various choices of your branch and college. You may have so many colleges list within your mind and so many branches. Then how to enter, how to log in, how to enter these colleges, choices, all those things I will again explain in one more video. Till then, if you have any queries about CET option entry procedure or even for admission to our institution under management quota, you can contact any of this number 9964 954507, 97390 37743, 98457 43447. Thank you.